Once again, welcome to LI Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to delete field on an attribute table and QGIS. So assuming you have a whole bunch of fields that you no longer want and you want to delete them, so what you need to do is to right click and then you go to on the data, then you go to open attribute table. Then on attribute table, you toggle this on. You just toggle this on and it will come back on. So you click on, you see this place that said delete? Yes, you click on it. Now it's going to ask you which field do you want to delete. So if I want to delete the population field we created in the last video, I will select it. I want to delete this area, I will select it, click on this. So let's assume I want to delete everything. Just click on OK. So you see, everything gone. So this is how you can easily delete field. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.